This is Michael from Skooba Design, and I'm going to be showing you around the Cable Stable DLX and the Cable Stable Mini accessory organizers. The Cable Stable has been one of our most popular products pretty much since we started Skooba Design, and the latest generation, the Cable Stable DLX and the Cable Stable Mini, are showing no signs of slowing. And if you're a real gadget head or a frequent traveler or just someone who loves organization, I think when you get the tour of this case, you'll understand why. Starting from the outside, the case is made of a very smooth, nicely finished, water-repellent nylon twill. It's very lightweight, but still very durable and protective, and allows the bag to be very flexible to accommodate contents of different sizes and to sort of move and flow with whatever you put in it. As you can see, it's about the size of a hardcover book. It's got a little soft carrying handle on top in case you want to carry it on its own, but it's also ideal for stuffing inside a laptop bag, business case, or a suitcase and protecting and organizing all of your little gadgets. On the front of the case there's a little zip pocket. That's usually ideal for things like plane tickets, passports, boarding passes, etc. I happen to have a moleskin notebook in there where I keep my ideas for my old-fashioned way of keeping track of things. And then when you get to the inside, that's where the magic happens, as they say. Got a full zip around closure, so it's fully contained and protected from the elements. And here's where the fun starts. This case holds just about everything that a gadget freak would ever carry to go along with their portable electronics. I actually left one space open just to show you how it works, but each of the sections is a free-floating elastic band. And by free-floating I mean that it actually slides underneath these little bars here, so that if something's a little bigger or a little smaller, it'll self-compensate for thinner items, thicker items, instead of being one size that may or may not hold what you put in them. So you can see in this little simple organizer, I've got my mobile phone charger adapter, my digital camera battery charger. In this pocket I've got a box full of business cards. In here I've got pens, obviously, and batteries. I'll leave them in there. Here I've got an emergency USB charger. I've got my camera, of course. I've got a portable iPod speaker. I've got my webcam for my Skype calls. I've got my video iPod, and of course I've got my iPod earbuds, and I've got my Wi-Fi finder and my USB thumb drive. And there's actually room for much more than that, but that's the way I usually travel. You can pack a lot more in there. I've seen some pretty extraordinary packing jobs in the Cable Stable. And as I said, now you can really see how the strap moves underneath the webbing to accommodate contents of different sizes. And as a bonus, it happens to be the exact size of an iPad. So we're finding that a lot of customers are using it as an all-in-one solution for their iPad and a few accessories. Of course, be careful how you pack things, because once you put the iPad in there, you're not going to want to load it up with tons of other fragile items. But it makes a great folio-type carrying solution for an iPad and a few accessories. So that's the DLX version. That's our full-size model. And we have the mini version for those times when you don't need to carry the full arsenal. It's exactly what the name implies. It's a small version of the DLX. Still got the zipper pocket. I happen to have cash in here, which comes in handy when traveling. Your foreign currency or domestic currency. And on the inside the layout is similar. The difference being that on one side there's a neoprene, which is a wetsuit material, stretchy, cushiony wetsuit material, series of pockets. We have an external hard drive here, a pen, frequent traveler cards or business cards, battery, again another pen. Here we have a USB hub adapter. We got a power adapter, multi-adapter for Apple stuff, Apple charging cord, some more earbuds, etc. And again, you've got the whole floating elastic system in there. So actually, this is a good example. This USB hub is actually larger than the space that I had it in, but because the elastic stretches, it fits. So that is the mini version of the Cable Stable, and the DLX and the Mini are available separately, and we also sell them together as a money-saving kit, as they say. So those are the cable stables, and we hope you get yourself one and enjoy it.